Well, yeah, I got
Okay, so
some
in this
login.
subject, Annie, we
Mm-hmm.
are going to uh, understand about creating your tracking links. Okay, so we're going to go to the links. Let me request remote control.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, please say yes to the notification. Okay, so we will go to the links section here. Okay,
Okay.
links, and we are going to click create new link. And I just wanna type in the link name here. That is, let's say pine cone. Okay, and I
Mm-hmm.
would like to put the date, of course. So 1609. Now we're going to create the first campaign for this one. Okay. So in the
Okay.
first ad set for this one, so I'll just give it a name as ad set one, right?
Okay.
USA. And I'm going to copy your link from here for Pinecone. Okay. Copy this link and paste it here. Okay. I'm going to call it as, you know, Pinecone.
Okay.
And I'm going to click create link.
Mm-hmm.
Now, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to, connect a communication between ClickMagick and Maxbounty. Okay, how do we do that? We go to the
Affiliate
tool,
program.
we go to the tool section, okay,
Okay.
and we go to the postback URLs. Go to postback URL list.
Mm.
Okay, custom postbacks. Okay, let's just type Maxbounty here.
Yeah.
Okay, so this link will actually go inside this link will actually go inside your Maxbounty, okay, which will develop a communication between Maxbounty and ClickMagick. So which means that if you get a conversion in Maxbounty will be able to communicate with ClickMagick saying that hey, you got a conversion in we got a conversion in Maxbounty, and that conversion will be shown in ClickMagick at the same time. Okay,
Okay.
so it's like Maxbounty saying, "Hey, ClickMagick, we got a conversion." So make sure you show it in your dashboard. Okay, so that's
Yeah.
what it does. Okay,
Okay.
it's called like you can call it as the high five. Okay, in simple English. So
Okay.
global postback is saved in Maxbounty. Okay, global postback updated. Right. Now the next thing that we have to do is now all you will track all your activity. So sounds from simple to start once you pass it ID to your affiliate link, simply cut and paste. So Magick ID. So we need to get to the click Magick ID part here. Affiliate network is not listed on the affiliate here. So we need to add a token in our links at the end of our, you know, URL.
Mm.
So it used to give a kind of, uh, so this is something that is called as, let me just open a new note and
Mm-hmm.
call the token ID. Okay. Okay, let me pick up this call one.
Okay.
So again, as I was saying, the token ID, it's called a token ID, and this
Mm-hmm.
token ID goes after your link, goes after every link that you add in Click Magic. Okay, so it's
Mm.
called ampersand, like and s2 equals to Click ID. Okay, now this
Okay.
Click ID is a token for Click Magic, and
Mm-hmm.
S2 is a token for from Maxbounty. And
Ah.
this equal sign actually says that Maxbounty will be able to communicate with Click Magic. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So now we whenever you will be creating links in from Maxbounty links in Click Magic, you would have to pass this token or insert this token at the end of your affiliate link. Okay.
Okay.
So let's say if you're adding, um, let's say, let's pick up the link from here. Okay. So let's go to Pinecone. Okay. And let's copy this link, build tracking link. Okay.
Okay.
I'm going to call it as CM1. Social raw, and I'm going to call, let's say, 1609 CM1. Like this is the Click Magic link one. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm going to, let's see if, is it showing any apply option? No. I'm going to copy this link. Okay. Copy link and
Okay.
go to Click Magic. Now I'm going to create a new link for this. Create a new link and paste that link here. And I would like to paste it here as well. And we need to pass this token ID at the end of the affiliate link. Okay, for Click
Okay.
Magic. Copy,
Okay.
and we need to, pass it here. Okay, there should be no spaces, of course. Okay, this and means a space in itself. Okay, within the link.
Oh, it does. Okay.
So you will see an and everywhere. Okay,
Yeah,
this
I do.
means
Yeah.
space in the
Okay.
language of
Hmm.
these clicks. Okay, so
Okay.
whenever they want to say space to the computer, there will be an and or a question mark. Okay, question mark and and means kind of space in
I
the
did not
language.
know that.
That's that's computer programming.
Mm-hmm.
I usually don't tell this much deep to any student, because but you are always curious to learn the technical part, so I
Mm-hmm.
enjoy telling things in
It's
detail to you.
it's it's good to know.
Yep. So and I'll call this as fine cone, one. Okay.
Okay.
And um, we'll call this link as uh, MB direct link, and of course I need to put the date 1609. Okay, this is the MB direct link.
Right.
So we know that this is the direct link, and the other link is for the landing page. Okay,
Okay.
and click create link. Now, uh, this link will actually, let's click here, and this link will actually go in your okay, cool. So let me think it this way. Now this is getting kind of complicated. We need to write it down. Okay. This would be your ad. From your ad, the person will go on your LP, right? And from your LP, the person would go in Maxbounty.
Okay.
So in your LP, we need to add, yeah. So in your LP, we need to add this link, okay? So click here and go to your landing page.
Yeah, this is kind of complicated. Oh,
Action, action, action.
yeah.
Open in the same tab. Now, if
Okay.
someone clicks here, Annie, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So I wanna now what we can do is we can append, as I told you, some slugs at the end. Like I can
Mm-hmm.
add this link and I can just say / yes, okay?
Okay.
And I can click here, and here I can say action and / no, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now click OK. Save and save. Now I'll just refresh this page here. Refresh it once more. And let me show you something here on how ClickMagick would actually work. So if I click yes, let me see if the link is updated by copying the link address and pasting it here, if it actually is updated. Okay, yes, it's updated. So if I click here, this yes will fire up, and if someone happens to convert, okay, you will be able to see that from ClickMagick that he converted with this particular option, okay, in report.
Right. Okay.
Okay. Now if I go back and if I click the no, if I click the no option, okay, the no will fire up, of course, and this will open up, and if someone happens to convert, you will be able to see that that conversion came from this particular link. Let me show you how. So now if I just go back and click links, and if I click here, obviously one unique click, total clicks 2, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So you see, yes, okay?
Okay.
So it's counting, we click 2 times from the same IP address, so that's why it will count as one, as only unique click as 1, right? And
Okay.
total clicks as 2, right? So you will also be able to find out a lot of metrics, okay? Now you see, yes,
Oh,
no.
okay. Yes
Now,
and
if
no.
you happen to get a conversion, right, you will be able to find out, okay? And apart from that, you will be able to see where that conversion came from the Chrome browser, from Windows. So more data, right? So based on that, you can
Right.
target if it's on mobile or desktop, right?
United
Right now,
States,
if it shows
Australia.
Windows and Chrome, obviously this
Yeah.
is desktop, right?
Mm-hmm.
So more data, and not just this. When you get a conversion, it will show that the conversion came from this particular link. So it will show up here, okay? Sale, okay?
Okay.
So and we will be able to use ClickMagick with your Bing campaigns as well, of course, okay?
Great.
So
Yes, a lot more information, a lot easier to see the information.
That's correct. I call it as having the satellite view. You know. Uh, so,
Okay.
so now we're going to go here and we're going to use this link. Okay, this is our LP link, right? This is our landing page link. So I'm going to say this as LP,
Okay.
LP, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or LP11609. I'm going to click save. And we're going to use this link.
Oh, so
So
we only need to use that token link one time, and that's to put it in Maxbounty.
yeah, the token link will only be associated with the Maxbounty links.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay.
Now we're going to copy this LP link. Okay, now we will go to our chatbot. Okay, now let me show you something really cool here. Let's go to the chatbot and I'm going to click here and I'm going to copy that link and paste it here. And I'm going to put a forward slash. I'm going to say bot WM. That means if a conversion comes from this, when someone clicks this link, and if you get a conversion from this, you will be able to see that in your reports that a conversion came from bot WM. That means wow, the bot welcome message. Make sense?
Oh, okay.
And you will be able to see through that by just looking at Magick stats. Make sense?
Okay. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So less headache, right?
Yes.
The
Mm-hmm.
problem is like I know how to use these tools at next level. Now this is next
I
level
see you do. Mm-hmm.
utilization, right? People
Yeah.
really don't know this next level utilization, and that is what they lack. This is the only difference between an affiliate and a super affiliate, Amy.
Mm.
Okay, a
Okay.
super affiliate knows more powerful techniques.
Yeah, the
Okay?
super affiliate make money. The
Yep.
affiliate don't.
So now default answer, now said bot DA. That DA means default answer. Okay. So
Default. Okay.
DA default answer, and WM was for welcome message. Okay.
Okay.
Now if you get a conversion from here, you will be able to see that from Magick. Now let's go to our triggers. Okay. And let's click here. We don't have to create a unique link every time.
Mm-hmm.
So this message will go 20 minutes. So we need to set this message up. We'll not set this up yet, right? So
Okay.
text and okay, I really don't remember. So let me just put anything here. So that anything and just preserve the link, and then I'll get the text from the other end. So
Okay.
URL and paste the link here. Forward slash, and let's say 20 bot 20 minute, right? Bot 20 minutes. So if a conversion happens from here, right, you will be able to see, okay, that
Right.
conversion came
Okay.
from this link. And let's just click enter here.
Mm-hmm.
Then let's go back and get our message. Okay, I think we need to open our document. So let's come down. So the welcome message is this, and let's see, because we created the other messages that day, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there you go. We have these messages, right? See, it's hard, to think two ways at one point, right? Like though we created this message that day, but we cannot, remember it. That's why it's good to
Right.
create the recipe. Make sense?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So this message, goes 20 minutes, right? So let's quickly copy, go back, go to our chat view,
Mm-hmm.
and go to re-engage, go to the 20-minute section, and go here, select paste, hit enter, and let's say, hey, F, first name. Okay, quick update, right? And scroll down. What does it say? Enter here, right? Enter here, and that's our message, right? That's our link, right? So if a conversion comes from this link, you will be able to see from the bot. Okay, the conversion came from bot 20 minutes. Okay.
Right. Did I lose your voice? Hello. Hmm. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hi, Jeannie.
Okay. Now you're back. Okay.
Something wrong on my internet. Not sure why. Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
so okay, so let's see if I can get my main internet back. Now scroll down and set this in the 10-hour section. Okay, this is already there. Okay, cool. So there we just need to add the link. So let's go back here. Let's copy the link. Click here. Copy. See, Amy, understand one thing. You need to get more creative than what I am teaching you. Okay, like this is, you can do wonders with this chatbot. You getting my point? You need to
Okay.
think outside the box as well. You getting my point?
Yeah.
So it's not that you're learning this and you will just stick to what you're learning. Okay, you need to, you can get more creative, right, with
Yeah.
this. I just don't want you to be limited to whatever you're learning
Yeah.
here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
enter now. So what I mean here is, like, there are tons of things that this bot can do, right? Like, let's say being creative is, let's say, enter now. So you can add some emoji here. Okay, like enter now, and you can add a emoji with a, which is pointing on the right hand side with your
All right.
enter now button. So
Mm-hmm.
let's start that. Yep, there
Yes,
you go.
there.
There it is. So this one, right? Okay, stop, stop, stop. Okay, it went off. Can you just select that emoji, please? There's a delay on my side.
Oh, you
Select
talking
that
about you?
emoji, right hand side. Yep. Okay, cool. Now enter now, right? So don't you think this can make a big difference? One simple emoji, right?
Yeah. Yeah. It does.
So
Yeah.
and there are a lot of things like adding these typing elements. You can add images. You see that? There's an image option, right? There's the sequence option, right? So there are a lot of
Right.
things that can be done, right? And you can, test these things out. I just don't want you to stay limited. Let's say, okay, I just wanna make sure you have an abundant mindset, okay?
Okay.
So, okay, so our bot is ready, right? We've added the link to this. Now, let's come down. The link is there. The link is in the automation messages.
Okay.
The link is here as well. There's a link here as well. So we are good to create our ad, right? So
Right.
now we can simply go back, minimize this, and finally we have in this subject, finally we were able to create the whole funnel. Okay, now one thing that we have to do is we have to put all our links in one place. Okay, so let's say this is the link for your landing page, right? So you need to copy this link from here, LP link, and put
Okay.
it, like create a folder for Pinecone, right? Let's say this is the Pinecone. Create a new folder for Pinecone, new notepad, and then LP link, right?
Okay.
Now this will be LP link, right? Then you can say uh, 1609 MB direct link.
Okay.
Let's just copy this link here so that you can have these links in one place. Let's say if you need them, you don't have to navigate. Saves a lot of time.
Yeah. Yeah.
So paste this link here, right? Now you have the LP link. Let's test your LP link. Copy, copy. Let's go here. Paste. Let's check it out.
There
Okay,
you go.
cool. So it's working. All right.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
now we are going to go to our ad. Okay. Okay. Any, can you give me 60 seconds? Someone needs my attention.
Okay, that's fine.
Hello?
Yeah, that's fine.
हाँ बोलिए.
Nope, no problem.
Page, right? And you'll
Right.
be able to see how things are working, right? So we will not be limited to just the Facebook stats or the Maxbounty stats. We have more stats, right? Now, I need you to stop this recording, start a new recording so that we can, create an ad for
Okay.
Pinecone.
All righty. Well, I'm waiting on it to stop. Let's do it again. You see that red light still going?